OJEE 2026 result declared. Scorecards now available at ojee.nic.in for Odisha admissions. RPSC begins applications for RAS 2026 E's to 607 vacancies announced. IIT Mandi launches BTech in Quantum Science and Engineering for 2026 session. SBI Apprentice Recruitment 2026. Registration deadline extended for 7,150 vacancies. Supreme Court seeks CBSE response over Gulf students' Class 12 blank mark sheets issue. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Mangai reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Odisha Joint Entrance Examination OJEE 2026 results have been officially declared by the OJEE committee. Candidates who appeared for the state-level entrance test can now access and download their scorecards from the official website ojee.nic.in using their login credentials such as application number and date of birth. The scorecard contains key details including marks obtained, rank secured, and qualifying status. The OJEE 2026 exam was conducted in May 2026 for admission into various undergraduate, postgraduate, and lateral entry professional courses across participating institutions in Odisha. Based on the scores, candidates will be eligible to participate in the upcoming counselling and seat allotment process. Authorities have advised candidates to download and print their rank cards for future admission procedures. The counselling schedule is expected to begin later in June 2026 as per official updates. The Rajasthan Public Service Commission has begun the application process for the RAS 2026 examination, announcing 607 vacancies in the state in subordinate services. Eligible candidates can apply via the official website within the deadline. The recruitment covers administrative posts across the Rajasthan government departments. Applicants must meet the prescribed educational and age criteria mentioned in the notification. The selection will include prelims, means, and interview stages. Candidates are advised to check eligibility before applying. Guidelines for fee payment and document submission are available. The drive offers a major opportunity for aspirants in state civil services. Applications are open for candidates seeking entry into the Rajasthan Administrative Services. Candidates should apply early to avoid last-minute technical issues on the RPSC portal. The Indian Institute of Technology Mandi has announced the launch of a new BTech program in Quantum Science and Engineering for the 2026 academic session. The interdisciplinary course is designed to prepare students for the rapidly growing field of quantum technologies, including quantum computing, communication, sensing, materials, and devices. The program aims to equip learners with strong foundations in physics, mathematics, computer science, and engineering, alongside emerging applications in artificial intelligence and advanced computation. It is part of IIT Mandi's broader push to strengthen research and innovation in next-generation technologies. Admissions to the course will be conducted through the JEE Advanced Examination, followed by JOSA counseling. The institute is expected to offer limited seats, making the program highly competitive. With this initiative, IIT Mandi continues to expand its academic offerings in cutting-edge fields aligned with global technological advancements. The State Bank of India has extended the registration deadline for its Apprentice Recruitment 2026, offering a total of 7,150 vacancies across various branches in the country. Interested and eligible candidates can now apply online until June 15th through the official website sbi.co.in. The recruitment drive aims to engage apprentices for training across multiple banking operations, providing young aspirants with practical exposure to the banking sector. Candidates must meet the prescribed educational qualifications and age criteria as mentioned in the official notification. Selection will be based on an online written examination followed by a local language proficiency test. Selected candidates will undergo apprenticeship training for a fixed duration with a monthly stipend as per SBI norms. Applicants are advised to complete their registration well before the revised deadline to avoid last-minute technical issues on the portal. The Supreme Court of India has sought a response from the Central Board of Secondary Education regarding petitions raised over Class 12 students in Gulf countries allegedly receiving blank mark sheets affecting their higher education prospects. Petitioners have argued that technical and administrative issues during result processing left several students without valid scores despite appearing for examinations under CBSE-affiliated schools abroad. The court has taken note of the grievances and asked CBSE to clarify the issue and submit its stand within a specified time frame. The matter highlights concerns over evaluation transparency and fairness for overseas Indian students. Further directions from the Apex Court are awaited as the case will be heard in the upcoming proceedings as scheduled for next week.